Yabo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG. I'm a lady aged 36 years and need your help. I'm married with 3 kids. My husband and I have been together for close to 10 years. So when we got married, my husband was staying with his mother and 2 siblings. His father is late. Inini, I was renting a 2-bedroom apartment, so he ended up moving in with me and was not paying rent or helping at least. He later married me after 8 months. So my landlord, who is based in Canada, had proposed a rent-to-buy deal. I shared this with my husband, and he suggested we both contribute to buy the property. For the first few months, all was well. He was contributing to the property. Then after 5 months, he started complaining about his finances, saying hazisi kubalansa. I wanted to understand, Kuti, what exactly is not balancing? Because we had a pretty decent lifestyle. Hatina zuva ratakarara nenzara. Akanditi ndiri murume. I need to start projects and grow my business. Kuti ndikuchengetei. I told him a property is the best way to guarantee kuti remangwana revana rakarongeka. Akaomesa musoro, and I figured his mind was made. I then continued to make payments towards the property. In no time, he left his job as an engineer at a company Aishanda to start a business with his mother, bringing my parts and my machines. When he started to make money, I asked him to help pay off the apartment, and he refused, saying, I will buy you a house. I believed him because he was making money. And I managed to pay off the amount a few months ago. And my landlord's lawyer processed paperwork, and I signed off the property in my name. When I told my husband about this, he was furious. He even shouted at me, saying, you were supposed to put the house in both our names since we are married. I couldn't do that because the 4,000 that he contributed is nothing compared to the money that I parted with to pay off the apartment. For years, he has been saying, I'm going to buy a house for you and the kids, but nanasi akangomirira. He renovated imba yake and bought 2 Nissan Navara, which they use achinzi imota dzebasa. I don't know why he is fighting for my house when he has the money to buy a property. He says I need to put both our names, otherwise the property that he is planning to buy will be in his name only. Is this a fair deal, Vedari? I need your guidance. Was I wrong, and what can I do to handle this situation? Your hot topic yethu namhlanje.
Thank you so much, Mangluwe. Our hot topic powered by Hamilton Insurance. My relationships are unetsa. You can feel free to connect with us on our WhatsApp platform as well. Our voice notes are welcome, just under 60 seconds. I think that will be nice. Yeah, ndiyo hot topic yedu ya nasi yataunzirwane Hamilton Insurance, reliable, honest insurers. Let's get to connect with you on the line. Tinzwe kuti murukuzvono save dari. Hi, Star FM.
KVG, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Maswera say.
Maswera.
Wataswera zvakanaka enderera henyu mberi.
Vakadzi tikanyatsoapa platform vane capacity yekuita zvinhu zvihombe in our life. Then ava blaza ava vari kutorwadziwawo zvavo kuti vakundwa nemukadzi. Saka iye ari kufanira kungomupa mari yake yakakontributa for 5 months chete. Osiya zita rake riri rakarejiswa rakadaro.
Okay. Odzosera murume mari imengeri mari isake. I think I mentioned one, is it? 4,000.
Exactly. Ngampe 4,000 iwo. Then the house remains in her name.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for that.